What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lil Pups right here. I got the day off thanks to this beautiful weather, Southern California. Anyways, today's video we're gonna be doing my boy cb7. I took out the engine about a week ago, and right here we're swapping this engine and this cb7. We're gonna swap it to the other Accord, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're gonna swap the engines, make sure it runs good. Only difference from this engine that I took out is that this one right here, the one I have right here, as you can see, it's in a high mileage, pretty bad condition. Engine wasn't smoking or anything, it's just very high mild, and it's pretty dirty and shit, needs gaskets and stuff. But this engine, on the other hand, it's pretty good, has low miles. It is dirty, but nothing a pressure washer can't fix. So pressure wash the engine base, pressure wash everything, throw this swap into that one, and that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. I'll set this down right here. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see me there. Gotta get my gloves. These come in handy. I was always the type that never used these, but I started realizing, like, man, these come in so much handy, and plus it's cold. So right here, what I'm doing is finishing up, taking off the air compressor. I'm gonna take it off full with the whole brackets and all that stuff. Got the AC pump off.
Yo no estoy haciendo nada, nomás le estoy dando a él a agarrar pato. No estoy haciendo nada. ¿Cómo se quedó su dedo? Ya, va. Toma el dedo, pero ya. Necesito cirugía, pero no me la van a hacer. ¿Usted nomás le está haciendo a él? Sí, yo le digo a él qué es lo que tiene que hacer y luego le da algo que necesita que pueda, le quito. No, no lo haga. Esa que no puede hacer fuerza. Ya la voy.
I'm getting these off right now. Taking out the bracket.
Huh?
Taking out the bracket.
You get ready already?
Mm-hmm. Still recording. Say what's up to everybody right there.
Why would I want to do that?
I know, Grouch, you tell me.
Yeah, take off that bracket and then take off this one.
Yeah.
Taking these two off, we can take off the air compressor y nomás lo hacemos culpa ya. That shit is done. Well, we do have to take off the bracket from the compressor, because that bracket se atora mucho, güey.
Yeah, I know.
When I was taking it out, the other one, shit got stuck like a motherfucker.
I bet.
It's because you don't have no space on this one.
Yeah, I can hear it. Another knock.
What? You hear that knocking?
Uh-huh.
Ya se echó el motor, ¿verdad? Aceite no tengo ahorita. No, yo no
Alright, fellas. So, anyways, this is what I'm working on right now. Don't want it to be too much of a boring video, but I just want to say what's up to everybody. Hop on this thing real quick, make a quick video. Check these out, guys. Those are clean. I like those. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll probably make another video once I'm done swapping it. Show you guys how it turns out. And hope everybody has a good day. Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas to all, and late.